Liao Tingyi 183156, Abdul Hakim Lai 187619, Ao Yong Peisin 189412, Nurul Shatika 186695.
Welcome to the Faculty of Forestry, and today you all are required to complete the task by finding all the plants according to all the clues you've been given, and to qualify yourself as part of us. So now I will give you the first clue, which is plants which consist of main stem with tightly arranged cluster of branch. Fascicle usually consists of 2 or 3 spreading branches and 2 to 4 hanging branches.
Consists of 2 or 3 spreading branches and 2 to 4 hanging branches. Right.
So we're gonna go out and find.
So we're going to. I think I know where's the place of these plants. So let's move. Okay. So according to the clues, this is the plants. This is a plant which consists of main stem with tightly arranged clusters of branches. So this is the mosses with the phylum is Bryophyta, class is Bryonocida, subclass is Pionidae, family, and then genus is Sphagnum. Sphagnum is commonly known as the pit moss. It's a genus of 380 species, and you can store water since both living and dead plants can hold large quantities of water in their cells. It may hold 16 to 26 times as much as their dry weight, depends on the species. The empty cells help retain in their in drier conditions, forming larger wires, both raised box and blanket box. Okay, and then different species of Sphagnum also have the different tolerance limits for flooding and pH. So one peatland may have a number of different Sphagnum species. So this Sphagnum also have a lot of usage. First, the decayed moss can be used as a soil conditioner, which to increase the soil's capacity to hold the water and nutrients by increasing the capillary forces and cation exchange capacity. And then the dry Sphagnum also moss also used in northern Arctic as in insulating material because they have low rates of decay and hence preserve plant fragments and pollen to allow reconstructions of past environments. It's also been used as dressings for wounds during the World War I. And then another types of plants which under phylum of Bryophyta is the species of Sphagnum species also. If the liverworts. Liverworts are divisions of non-vascular land plants commonly referred as hepatics, and then gametophyte dominant life cycle cells of plant carry only a single set of genetic informations, DNA, and then they have around 9,000 species of liverworts, same as flattened leafless taurus, but most species are leafy. Leafy species distinguish from the obvious similar mosses on number of features, include single cell rhizoids, size 20 to 20 mm wide, and then less than 10 cm long, and also may cover large pages of ground, rocks, and trees, and etc. So now we need to find the clues for to move on to the next stations. Yes. Here is the clues. Okay, so now let's search for the clues for us to move to the next station.
Next?
Oh, yeah, next.
The next clue.
Okay, the next clue is angiosperm, which is dicot, content flower, set of organs have sepal, petals, stamen, and carpels. Net-like veins, flower pot in 4 and 5, embryo with 2 cotyledons. I think I know this, and let's go to find it.
Ooh, you know it. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
This one is example of angiosperm, which is have a flower part in 4. Yes. No, don't be like that. Okay, just like this. Okay. Flower in 4. And this is the pollen, which is you can what can be
Ethan. You can.
no.
That's good.
All right. Which is angiosperm have a radical root, and yes, this is. And let's find another clue between this flower. Yes. This one.
Oh, wow, yeah, you found it. Yay.
Okay, another clue is angiosperm also, which is the previous one is dicot, and
This one is
this one
monocot.
is monocot. Contain a parallel vein and embryo with single cotyledon. Which one do you think is this angiosperm monocot?
It means parallel vein. This one, no?
Maybe it's
This one.
this one, yes.
Like just like pandan, right?
Yeah, just like pandan, yes. Have a parallel vein. One more info that about this monocot is they have a adventitious root. Yes, this one. Let's find another clue between this species.
Oh, there it is.
Wow, pandai.
Oh, I found it.
So
Oh.
clever.
Okay, you guys ready?
Okay.
So the next one will be gymnosperm, which is having seed, do not have flowers, do not produce fruit, and their seed develop on the surface of the reproductive structure rather than being contained in the specialized ovary. I think this one I know. Maybe it's the pinus tree, right?
Pinus tree.
Because it's also got the spine leaf.
Spine leaf.
The pine tree got spine
Okay,
leaf.
let's
So,
find
where's
where
the
is
pine
the
tree?
pine. Okay, let's move. Is this one? No. No, this one. Which one? Is that?
No, between the gymnosperm and
This one with the beautiful flower?
you shut up. No.
Gymnosperm doesn't have flower.
Oh, okay. Good.
Spine?
Yeah, the leaf will be fine. Yes, this one.
This one.
Yes.
This one. Let's just have a bag. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this
You're
one is
correct.
pine tree. So this tree is contain the leaf with spine, and also it doesn't produce flower and fruits. So can be seen like this one is obviously
Also, the seed is small and ovate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, see.
Alright, find another clue. Another clue, please.
Wow, there it is. I found it again. So the clue is, the next clue is, it is used as a powder milk company logo. Always climbing on other vegetation plant. It do not have seeds and do not have flowers. I think I know this. What this is? I think it's the fern leaf. Yes.
calcium.
Oh, calcium!
Right. Let's find it.
fern leaf is always
There it is. I found it. Yeah.
which one?
Yeah.
Ah, this one.
Yes.
This is.
So this is the fern leaf. So yeah, so we found the fern leaf. So it is actually a fern leaf where it is used as a powder milk logo. If you are fond with it, it is the fern leaf powder milk for the babies. So it is so well known throughout the whole world that even milk powder company uses the fern leaf as its logo, and it is also can be found in other tropical area regions such as even at New Zealand you can find fern leaf, and then could be found in throughout the whole tropical forest area. So the next one is it is always climbing on to another vegetation plant. So if you see here, the fern is actually overpowering other plants. So it is high above, and looking at its morphology, it is taking away all of the sunlight, and it doesn't have seed. If you look at the fern, it doesn't have seed. It doesn't have flowers. So how do they reproduction? The reproduction is through spores. They have spores that could give out to others, so it will spread all along the region, all along the area. So you can see that the fern is overpowering the plants here. So I guess that's it. So let's look for the next clue. Yeah, we found it. Yay! Yes. So let's close up here. So I think this is the last clue. So it can be located all over the Southeast Asia region. Leaf is similar to the banana leaves. It looks like a nest. It also do not have seeds and do not have flowers. So I wonder what it is. So let's look for it.
Just like a banana leaf.
Oh yeah, there it is. I think it is this one.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because so everybody, ladies and gentlemen, let's look up here. So you can see the green color leaves. It does looks like
Banana leaf.
banana leaves, and it does look like a bird nest. So that is actually why it is called the bird nest leaf. So because it does look like a banana leaf, because as it grows, it actually grows with a green one. The green one is the new one. As it grows old, it turns into brown color, and the brown color it will roll into the middle of the plant. So you can see that's why there is a shape that looking like a bird nest, because the old leaf turn brown and it rolls into the what do we call Asplenium nidus. This is actually Asplenium nidus. Other than its other name is the bird nest palm. So it is an epiphyte. So it is native to the tropical Southeast Asia region, East Australia, Hawaii, and India. So the leaf it can grow up to 50 to 150 centimeter long, and the broad is 50 to 30 centimeter broad. So the sprout here in Malaysia, I'm not quite sure if the people eat it, but in Taiwan, the people there, the indigenous people, they actually ate the leaf. They would cut it into pieces, small pieces, and then mix with fish and mix with other stuff that could be eaten. So they call it shanchu. Shanchu means a tree, a mountain tree. So it is used it is cut into small pieces and then mixed with garlic and chili and mixed up with other food ingredients. So it is good for asthma and sauce, any kind of sauce you can use it and put it onto the place where you have sauce. So I guess that is all. So let's us look for the plastic.
Okay, here we need. Okay, let's see what we get for the next.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
All have completed the task, and now you all are part of our first school.
Okay.